Michael, open up one of those little metal tins and throw a fish in there.
Throw a fish in.
They call them sardines. They're shaped like a little sardine. It slides open.
Slides.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, it's a sardine, like a sardine tin.
You just gotta cut the tag off.
Oh,
My cats try to eat the tag.
Oh, he's going inside the little box now.
oh, is it?
Can't get in there.
Well, sorry to mess up your front room, Mike.
There's loads of his other stuff over there as well. It's never tidy. Just
It's all right. That's Popcorn's front room, not Michael's.
That's right, yeah. He just cleans it
I
up
just
and
go have it.
Yeah.
Right. See if I can get this put together. Oh, he's got the sardine.
Throw it in the box.
He's got the sardine there.
uh-huh.
Have a scratch.
Yeah. Do you have fleas there?
Any what, sorry?
Fleas.
Please. I hope not.
Do you have fleas in where you live?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, that's good. We don't have fleas here either.
No.
I think they can't live through the winter.
Well, actually, they're all hiding it around his beard.
I did get bitten by a horsefly the other day.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, God.
Oh, they're nasty mongrels.
Yeah, they actually have teeth. I think the horse. I could feel that biting when that was from the Lake District the other day.
We only get them in March around here, so we call them March flies.
March flies, yeah. Yeah, they're sometimes called clague singer as well. We call them.
I mean, I don't know why we call them anything. They never come when you call them, do they?
I call them plenty, that's for sure. I call that one when it is.
Yes.
Yeah.
He's having fun with his sardine.
What is it? Is it an edible sardine or is it
No.
a catnip?
Catnip sardine.
Catnip. Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
It's real strong catnip.
This is material stuffed with catnip. Some cats use the tag to pick it up, to toss it.
Yeah.
Other cats will try to eat the tag. So it just depends on the cat.
Yeah, that's it. He's rolling on top of it at the moment.
The thing is that intelligent cats and stupid cats are just as cute as each other, so it doesn't matter.
Did you tell him what Gigi ate that one time?
Oh, no.
She ate a lamp wick. It was like 4 inches long and about a half-inch wide. I don't know how she swallowed it, but it was coming out the other end when I found out about it. And I didn't know what to do, but I kind of helped her and pulled it out. It was just awful. But how did she swallow that? I don't know how she did it. Crazy
If
cat.
there's something they want, they'll eat it, and it doesn't matter what it is. Dogs and cats. Yeah.
Got twisted up inside of her. But anyway, she survived, so that's good.
So tell them about how I let Gigi out yesterday.
Oh, that was my fault. Yeah, it was good.
he's already blamed me for that. He told me the window
Yeah, the
and the
window.
screen. Yeah, he's already blamed you for that one.
Yeah, I took the blame because I was trying to let the flies out, and you have to go outside to close the screen back up. And I just had forgotten to do that, and it got hot at night, so I opened the window, forgetting about the screen. I don't know how the cats didn't all go out, but they didn't. Only
Well, why would they want to?
Oh, they love it outside. They love it outside.
Yeah, mine was very much an outside cat too. But the fun, if I went to bed, I'd have to let her out the front door because she would never walk in my bedroom door. Never come in that way. She would go out, jump on the window ledge, and then come in through the window. But she'd walk out through the bedroom door. That was all right. It's just one of those quirks. She was a lunatic.
Oh, Popcorn's a male, right?
Yeah.
Oh, he
Yeah.
loves that. He loves that protein.
Yeah, he's still playing with it.
Oh yeah. All you really needed to send was one sardine in the box.
Well, we know what to send
Empty
more of.
boxes and bags is all we need.
Yeah.
He does like the treats. And the toys, don't you? And the other one,
He's a happy cat.
it certainly is. There's that toy, that is one.
You're gonna get up at night and step on something wet and cold.
Wouldn't be the first time, man. Wouldn't be the first time. Take one.
Yeah. I take the paper and shape it into a tunnel, and they run through the paper because it's shaped like a tunnel.
Yeah.
Ah, good idea.
I don't know, but it's probably not long enough to make it. Yeah. Yeah, maybe
Make a
like
little igloo.
it's not gonna work. Not long enough. That's okay. He'll jump on it.
Or in it.
Or in it, yeah. Yeah.
Boy, don't get your hand in the way.
Have that off in minutes.
Oh God, he's got everything else.
Ah, that is one spoiled cat.
So cute.
Oh, there he goes, in his tunnel.
Yeah.
Yep.
Paper and boxes. Right, I've nearly got this put together, Andy.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Tuffy goes crazy over that thing.
Yeah, and just shove the balls in there.
Do you have to put the balls in before you put them together?
No,
Oh, okay.
no, you just kind of force them in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should manage this one. I think of all the train sets and dolls' houses and things I've put together over the years.
Yeah.
At least you're lucky that cats don't play with Lego, because when you step on it, you know about it.
That's it.
Yeah, it fits real tight. I mean, you gotta cut it right in the right spot.
Yeah, put the balls in. There we go.
There we go.
Ta-da! Oh,
Ah.
Hello.
You can put one ball in each level, too.
Put a ball in each level.
Put, yeah, one ball in each level. That way they go opposite of each other.
Yeah.
There you go.
I wish they were around when I had my cat.
There it is.
There you go.
Now spin him so he gets the idea. No, I mean push the balls. There you go. Get it. Popcorn.
There we go.
It's Ethan.
What is that? Popcorn? Get it.
He's looking. He's looking.
Oh, he sees it.
Yep, he's got it.
Put the screen down a bit, Mike. Let it-
Yeah.
My cat was just like Maya,
That's it.
Jane,
Yeah.
and she was lovely, and she passed away a few years ago.
You must miss her so much.
Oh, I do, especially when I see something like this.
Yeah. They're with us. They are.
Oh, I know. I've got one of her toys somewhere, and some of the kids play with them occasionally. It's not the same, though.
No.
Too many distractions, poor Popcorn. He doesn't know what to do first.
Oh, yes, he hasn't been this alive ever since I've seen him. It's always just been lying there,
Yeah.
sleeping, relaxing. You'll sleep tonight, that's for sure.
That's,
He's 10 and got another one in the water.
Oh, he's sneaking them all out now. Oh, he's gonna have toy overload for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Package you up and send you that over.
Address it to Maya.
Yes.
Yeah.
He can come visit. But Michael would miss him.
Yeah.
yeah, you're gonna have sardines all over the place now.
Oh.
He doesn't mind.
I didn't stop to think how big your place was, Mike.
Randy.
I say I didn't stop to think how big your place was.
It's a lot smaller now.
It's a lot smaller now, exactly.
Well, you don't have to give him all the toys all at once. You can hold some back.
What kind of a mother are you?
They get bored with them if there's too many.
I do rotate these toys normally on a
Yeah, and they stay fresher if you don't.
anything I notice is not twitching for a while, I'll put away and then get something else out. But
Yeah,
this'll keep occupied for months.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh, he's so
I'm glad
cute.
he likes everything.
I think you can safely say it's all been a hit.
Absolutely. Even the wrapping in the box.
Yeah.
He's fascinated by these poetry.
Wow.
You falling asleep now?
No, I'm just yawning.
He's just practicing.
There you go.
Yes.
He says, he's saying, is that for me or you to play?
It doesn't matter. You can share it.
Get it?
Nah, too much in one go.
Yeah.
Just leave it in the corner of the room, he'll get it.
Yeah.
He will. Oh, he's beautiful. I want one.
I want one. Oh,
Two.
you do. Turn the box over. Let's see what happens.
What's up, Nella?
Turn the box over. Let's see what happens. Sideways or something.
No, don't. You'll fall out.
That's what I mean. Oh, that was the idea.
Oh, thank goodness you haven't got a cat now. Jeez, you torment the poor little thing. God.
He's going to try and go the little one.
He's all played out, I think.
Yeah.
It's wrestling time.
He'll sleep well tonight, that's for sure, after all this excitement.
You'll have to put him in. You'll have to put him in front of the camera and say bye bye to the video. Then
All right, come on.
Then I can stop.
Here we go.
Aww. Aww.
Where are you? Oh, he's looking down. Whoa. No chance. No chance.
Camera shy.
Camera shy.
Who said bye-bye?
In one of his Egyptian pose.
Here he is.
There he is.
There he is. Oh,
What a handsome boy.
yeah.
It's beautiful, isn't he?
He's great.
There he is.